Hello friends, I'm back again with a new video, Shapes. The video talks about basic shapes around us and how they are related. Almost all the objects around us can be related to one or other basic shape or a combination of it. Shapes can be attributed to either a two or a three-dimensional space. In other words, a shape drawn on a flat surface, for example, a sheet of paper, will be a two-dimensional shape. Here I have given some examples of 2D shapes: a square, a triangle, rectangle, and a circle. All these are two-dimensional shapes, or you can say 2D shapes. 2D stands for two-dimensional. Okay, so these shapes can be drawn on a piece of paper or on a flat surface or a tabletop or the surface of your floor, right? You cannot hold these shapes. These shapes cannot be holded. Why? Because it has only two dimensions, right? So next is the 3D shapes. It stands for three-dimensional shapes. Your space is also a 3D. Means you can hold, you're seeing the things in and around you. They are all three dimensionals, right? So you can hold the 3D shape. You can fold them also. आप fold भी कर सकते हो उसको. You can also hold them. Here some examples are given. They are cylinder, sphere, cube, cone, prism, cuboid. All these are 3D shapes. There are some more 3D shapes like your cone. Cone is also a 3D shape. You can hold a cone, you can hold a sphere, but you cannot hold a circle. You can hold a cube, but you can't hold a square. You can only draw a square on a piece of paper. So it is a 2D shape. It is not a 3D shape. We'll take one shape. It is, let's take first a cube. The first shape that I'm taking is a cube. Now, what is a cube? It is a 3D form of a square. How? If you take a cube, this is a Rubik cube. If you hold it in your hand and trace it, okay, and then remove it, you will get a square, right? So this 3D shape has come from 2D shape, that is a square. And in this, you can see this is a cube. There are some faces. Now we'll count the number of faces in a cube. E, A, B, F, E. It is the first face. If I'm taking it as the first face, the next face that is behind it is H, D, C, G, H. Right. Then next is H, E, F, G, H. A, D, C, B, A. And E, A, D, G, D, H, E, and F, B, C, G, F. So these are 6 faces. How? One in the front and other at the back. One on the top and one at the down. And 2 behind, sideways. Right, so making it 6 faces. Now, since all the faces, all the sides of a square are equal, सारे sides equal होते हैं square के, so all the faces of a cube will be equal, right? That's why you have seen a Rubik cube. इसमें आपकी all the sides are equal, so all the faces are equal, all the edges are equal. ठीक है? अब what is an edge? Edge क्या होती है? Edge is a line segment where any two faces meet. So here you can see H, E, F, G, H. It is one face and the other face is H, D, C, G, H. So these are meeting at HG. So HG is the H. ये उसकी H हो गई. Why? क्योंकि यहाँ पे टू फेसेस इसके ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं. कौन से टू फेसेस? H E F G H and H D C G H. देखो बेटा, जो आपका क्यूब है, क्यूबॉइड है, जो 3D शेप्स हैं, दे आर लिटिल बिट डिफिकल्ट टू विजुअलाइज. इसको आपको, बिकॉज देयर आर सम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस व्हाइल वी ड्रॉ इट, राइट. बट स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल तो आप आराम से ड्रॉ कर लेते हो. इसको ड्रॉ करने में यू हैव सम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस एंड इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट टू विजुअलाइज. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? यू आर सिटिंग इन अ रूम, राइट. जब आप रूम में बैठे हुए हो तो आपकी जो 4 वॉल्स हैं, थिंक अबाउट द 4 वॉल्स, दे आर द फेसेस, राइट. वो फेस हो गए. एंड द अपर वन, जो आपकी छत होती है, जिसको आप रूफ कहते हो, वो और आपकी फ्लोर, ये भी उसके 2 फेसेस हैं. तो 4 walls, they are the 4 faces, and the 5th face is the roof, and the 6th is the floor. So in total there are 6 faces. जब आप रूम में बैठते हो तो you can easily visualize. And जैसे मैंने आपको यहाँ पे पेपर पे ड्रॉ करके दिखा रही हूँ, I am showing it to you. It's quite difficult, but फिर भी you can try to visualize. इसको सोचने की कोशिश करो. You can see very well. एक मेरा लाइट आपको दिख रहा होगा, एक स्क्वायर मेरा लाइट है. E A B F E मेरा थोड़ा लाइटर है, एंड H D C G H ये मेरा थोड़ा डार्क है. तो एक आपका फ्रंट में है और एक आपका बैक में है, राइट. तो इसके 2 फेसेस हो गए. फिर एक ये वाला फेस एंड एक ये वाला फेस, 4 फेसेस. एंड देन दिस इज द 5th फेस एंड दिस इज द 6th वन. सो देयर आर इन टोटल 6 फेसेस. अब मैं दोबारा आपको एज बताती हूँ. एज आपकी मैंने एच जी आपसे डिस्कस करी. नाउ सी ई एच. अब आपकी जो ई एच है, ये वाला जो फेस है, ये वाला फेस, एच जी एफ ई एच ये वाला फेस, और ये वाला फेस ई ए डी एच ये वाला फेस, जो है ये वाला फेस एंड दिस फेस, इसका ये यहाँ पे आपका मीट कर रहा है, यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. सो एच ई इज योर एच. सो लेट्स काउंट द नंबर ऑफ एजेस इन अ क्यूब. 1 2 3 4. 4 ऊपर and 4 नीचे. 5 6 7 8. ठीक, 4 ऊपर 4 नीचे, 8 edges and then ये साइड वाली 9 10 11 and 12. So the number of edges in a cube is 12 and number of faces is 6. Okay, let's take another example. A sphere. A sphere is a 3D form of a circle. A ball is 3-dimensional. Ball is a very beautiful example of a sphere. आप एयर बबल्स बनाते हो, वो सोप बबल्स जो आपकी आती है जिसको आप ब्लो करते हो, that is also a sphere. राइट, बट यू कैन नॉट होल्ड इट. अगर आप उसको होल्ड करने की कोशिश करोगे वो एकदम फूट जाता है, खत्म हो जाता है वो. बट बॉल इज अ वेरी वंडरफुल एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ 3D फॉर्म दैट इज स्फेयर. ठीक है. सो इट इज मेड अप ऑफ अ सर्कल. अगर आप स्फेयर, अगर आप बॉल, इफ यू होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड एंड ट्राई टू ट्रेस इट, उसको पेपर पे रखकर ट्रेस करोगे, देन यू विल गेट अ सर्कल. आपको एक सर्कल मिलेगा. सो अ बॉल इज अ 3-dimensional and it is an example of a sphere. Now let's see the number of faces. अब इसका फेस देखो, क्योंकि इसका एक गोल ही तो है ये. It has only one face and it has no edge. कोई edge ही नहीं है because face ही one है, तो face, 2 faces तो मिल नहीं रहे हैं. And you know कि edge is a line segment where 2 faces meet. तो यहाँ तो face है ही नहीं, only there is one face, so there is no edge. So in a sphere there is one face and 0 edge, right? Let's take another example of a 3D shape. A cone. A cone is a 3D form of a triangle. If you take a cone and then trace it, then you will get a triangle. आपको एक triangle मिलेगा. I have taken an example of an ice cream cone. You can take a birthday cap or a joker cap. आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो and try to trace it on a piece of paper. You will get a triangle. In that case, आपको जो सर्कुलर ये वाला सर्कल होता है, that is quite hidden. तभी मैंने आपको बताया कि 3D shapes जो हैं आपकी, they are a little bit difficult to visualize. ठीक है. बट अगर आप उसको सोच के करोगे, इफ यू विल इमेजिन दैट यू आर होल्डिंग अ आइसक्रीम कोन एंड इमेजिन, तो यू कैन इजीली सी दैट दिस इज अ सर्कुलर face and this is a round face. The number of faces are 2. So a cone has 2 faces and 1 edge. क्योंकि आपके यहाँ पे मिल रहा है circular face and round face, यहाँ पे मिल रहा है ना आपका, तो it has 1 edge and 2 faces, right? But when you will draw a ice cream cone, but you cannot draw an ice cream cone क्योंकि उसको जब दबाओगे तो वो पिचक जाएगा. You can take a birthday cap. Birthday cap, if you will hold in your hand and try to trace it, you will get a triangle, right? You can see the dotted line. This dotted line shows कि it is not visible. हमें ये दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. It is behind. वो पीछे है. We can only imagine it. हम इसको imagine करते हैं. Okay. So now let's take another example of a 3D shape, a cuboid. Now a cuboid is very much similar to your cube. Cube or cuboid, they are both brother and sister. The only difference is that a cuboid is made from a rectangle, right? A cube is made from a square, but a cuboid is made from a rectangle. Now, since it is made from a rectangle, so its opposite faces are equal, right? And a cube has all the sides equal, so its all the faces are equal. But in a cuboid, only the opposite faces are equal. Now, let's name the faces P, P, Q, U, and at the back, पीछे वाला behind it कौन सा है? W, S, R, V. ये वाला face and ये वाला face. एक आपका front में है और एक आपका back में है. Then one sideways देखो, W2, WT, PS, VR, QU. Two faces ये, and then the next two faces are WVUT and SPQR. So making it 6 faces. Same way, like I have taken an example of a room. If you are sitting in a room, then you can easily visualize it. आपका upper and the bottom means आपकी roof और आपकी floor, then आपकी side की 4 walls. So making it 6 faces. Now let's come to the edges. अब edges देखिए आप. WV is an edge. Why? Because WV पर आपका ये वाला जो face है, ये ऊपर वाला face, ये वाला face और ये पीछे वाला face, WSRV, they are meeting at WV. So it is an edge. Now let's count the number of edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 edges in a cuboid. Same as the number of edges in a cube. Right. So it is very easy if you try to visualize it. अगर आप रूम में बैठे हुए हो और रूम में आप काउंट करो कि आपकी 4 walls हैं, एक ऊपर आपकी रूफ हो गई, एक आपकी फ्लोर हो गई, 6 faces हो गए. Right. And same way the edges, आप देखो आपके 2 faces कहाँ मीट कर रहे हैं, जहां पे वो मीट करेंगे वही आपकी क्या होंगी, edges होंगी. So it's very easy concept provided you understand it. I always say कि try to understand the concept, don't cram it. Cramming नहीं करनी है, आपको understand करना है, right? I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Thank you. If you have any doubt, then you can mail me at doubtplat, it's doubtplate@gmail.com, and keep watching my channel and please subscribe it also. Thank you.